Good morning, world. It is 1:45. We've just begun our day. No, I'm just joking. Me and Hannah got up for breakfast. Oh, wait. Sorry.
I just want to take this photo.
Okay, so me and Hannah woke up for breakfast. Jack's hungover, but he also feels really ill, so we're worried that he might genuinely actually have malaria because he has all of the symptoms of malaria, so we'll keep you updated with that. I'm gonna go look at the menu.
It's $4 for soup, chicken with rice, salad.
You wanna go here?
What's infusion de Jamaica?
Okay, well we're having a look at the green choice.
Let's just do it.
And then we've basically just been chilling in bed all day because we all feel really like exhausted and just like no energy. I've got some stuff done for student finance and we're gonna go probably watch Jurassic Park later. But we'll see. Well, we finally have our food. I got chicken fajitas and Hannah got a burger and potato. That sauce looks good. What kind of sauce is it?
Like a coriander.
Oh yeah?
Like a...
Oh, I even got chips and dip as well. Look at that.
Not bad, food right next door.
Yep. I even get the Wi-Fi from next door.
It's been so long since I've had a Magnum.
We got Magnum triple chocolate. Look at that. Mine's already broken like everywhere. Not what I expected. Good.
I've actually got chocolate. Like ripple. 1, 2, that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. Tasty. We are off to the cinema. No, I tried to do the same thing. No, we're off to the cinema to go and watch Jurassic. Is it called Jurassic Park anymore or Jurassic World?
Jurassic Park. This one's called like Jurassic Kingdom.
Okay, Jurassic Kingdom.
English.
So we fucked it again. Turns out the one that we came to see is actually the one in Spanish with nothing subtitled. So we got to wait till 5 now, and it's like 3:30 to see the one which is in English with Spanish subtitles. Yeah, we've already had food, so it's not even like we could smash food. There's a crepe place here, but I already feel sick from that ice cream we had earlier. We're just gonna get a drink from McDonald's and then see, probably just go for a walk or I don't know, who knows. So, change of plan. Well, we are going to the cinema, but we decided to get our nails done. Never had my nails done before. Hannah's already got hers, but she's just going to get them redone just for the sake of it. What's in that? My feet are beautiful. Bueno. We've got matching. Show me your toes. We're in the cinema, so we can't talk much. Oh, we just got popcorn, and it comes with a free refill. And look at this cool contraption.
I actually heard what happened to you.
In the seat.
You overlooked the quantum run. That's what's crazy could be both. We're like walking through walls and stuff. It's totally a pet.
Well, did you like it? I really liked it. I thought it was great. It was very good. We're just probably going to get a taxi back to the hostel now, and then we just need to figure out what the crack is for the Galapagos tomorrow, because I'm not entirely sure if we get picked up, if we meet anywhere or whatever. But we've had a quite cute...
getting a snack.
I know, I was thinking that. We've had a cute day though. We got matching toes.
They're really nice and shiny.
Yeah. Well, we are back in the hostel. I feel horrible. I've been on the toilet all night. Didn't end up eating my McDonald's, gave it to Jack. So we're just gonna go to bed. It's super early, but we've got this thing tomorrow with the Galapagos, so we're gonna go to bed and hopefully I feel better.